Let's move on and get your details of the Delhi Chief Minister swearing-in ceremony that will be happening in 2 days from now on 20th February. The BJP now will also be inviting slum dwellers to be a part of the oath-taking ceremony. They will be referred to as VIP guests for this particular event. Residents of 250 slum clusters will be brought in as guests for the swearing-in ceremony to witness the Chief Minister taking oath. This, the BJP has deemed as a thank you note to slum voters of the capital who ensured this mandate for the BJP in the national capital. Remember, the slum vote has always been with the Aam Aadmi Party, so this is perhaps an attempt by the BJP to also cement their position among the slum dwellers of the national capital. Piyush Mishra is joining us live from Ramlila Maidan. That's where the swearing-in ceremony will be taking place. And Piyush, I'm sure hectic preparations are on right now. But of course, there's a lot of buzz over the invite list because you've got the who's who of the country who's being invited. Industrialists, here, as we're hearing, are all going to be there. The NDA chief ministers are going to be there. But what's grabbing headlines is the fact that the BJP has also said that we're going to invite slum dwellers to be a part of this event.
Well, absolutely, that's right, Akshita. We are hearing from our sources is that BJP is going to extend an invitation to the people from slum clusters. Around 250 clusters are here in national capital, and BJP has decided to invite a major representation, a good number of people from these slum clusters. For that, a special duty has also been assigned to senior BJP leaders. They are going to approach all the people who live in slum areas and request them to reach here at Ramlila Maidan to take part in oath-taking ceremony. You would remember that the politics on the issue of slum and also making their houses and rehabilitation of people living in slum areas took place during the campaign for Delhi elections, and BJP believes that people from slum areas have also voted for the party in large numbers, and that is why the time has come to felicitate them, and the decision has been taken to invite people from slum areas from all 250 clusters of Delhi. Before I toss it back to you, let me also once again try to show you the visuals from Ramlila Maidan where the preparations are going on. Remember that hectic meetings are also underway here at Ramlila Maidan itself. The leaders like Tarun Chugh, Vinod Tawade, BJP's Delhi President Virendra Sachdeva and many others are present here at Ramlila Maidan, and they are taking stock of the preparations. Those are underway, and a huge tent will be erected. People from Delhi, from different parts of country will be invited. All NDA ruled state CMs and deputy chief ministers, all BJP ruled state chief ministers and deputy chief ministers, along with BJP leaders from different states who were given the task of campaigning in Delhi will also be invited. So BJP is now going to do a grand oath-taking ceremony of its chief minister, and that is also taking place. Why? Because it is a mode of celebration. It is a moment of celebration for BJP because after 27 years, BJP has broken all records and has been able to win over the hearts of people of Delhi, and that is why preparations for the grand event are right now underway at Ramlila Maidan. Akshita.
Thanks, Piyush, for joining us with that ground report.